Okay, got her turned around here. There's several controls here on the back, and it bears some explanation, I suppose you might say. There on the very left, as you see, we have the antenna, ground, and you got receive antenna in and out, which is a receive switching circuit between the RF stages. The next one over is a transverter jack, an external transverter in and out. The next one is a spare, and the manual actually says no connection, so I don't guess it does anything. Mod in accepts the modulation for the data. That's where it goes. Relay, it's a TR control, goes to ground when transmitting to control an external unit. So it can be, it can switch ground for any device that you really want to put on there. Also, there's ALC for a non-ICOM amplifier, and the ALC level's right next to it. You just take a little screwdriver and adjust your ALC level. Next one after that's the key. This is where your CW key goes. Then we have our accessory plugs. The first one is input for radio or packet equipment. The next one accepts ASCII for a 232 level signal. It also has CRT output pins involved with that. The CIV remote control jack. This is where you want to connect a personal computer. The next one is a recorder jack. Connect to the a tape recorder. The next one is, get this over here, external speaker, fuse holder, and then of course the power jack. Accessory to and data in, as we explained, accessory to can be used for several different things. It has a very in-depth explanation in the manual about what can go where and what can't go where. So any equipment that you wish to do for data or anything like that, it can also be used to switch amplifiers, all kinds of different things. So anyway, that's kind of it on the back side of it. As you can see, all the plug-ins are below the fan and final box, which kind of makes it a little bit unhandy, but a lot of the radios of this vintage were like that, and that's just kind of the way it is. So anyway, that's kind of a brief rundown on the famous ICOM 781. We thank you for watching our videos, and you get a chance to come to our website and view some of our wares. We have a lot of equipment on there right now, a lot of Kenwood stuff. So come check us out. Thank you.